Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And almost all of yesterday, I was trying to figure this out for somebody. They needed a 10-inch circle with exactly half-inch clicks. And I did all the math I know, and I contacted a good friend of mine that lives in Montana that's a math whiz. And we were coming up all different situations. And then it just occurred to him and me that the circumference of a 10-inch circle, at least in Corel, it's like 31.4 something. It's not pi, because inside Corel, I don't know why, but it just does it. But we figured it out. It just wasn't divisible by a half inch to make them all equal. I could make them come around, then it would be like the last one would be 0.42. And they needed to be all equal, so I made my circle 10.025496. It doesn't have to be out that far. But the circumference, and the way you find that out is you go to Windows, Dockers, go to Object Properties, and if you've turned your circle or your ellipse into a curve, you can click on right here and it's going to give you the length of the curve is 31.50044, which is close enough. Because it's really, if you change this to just a 5.5, it's still the same number. So then what you do is you take 31.5 is 63 divided by a half inch is 63. 360 degrees divided by 63 equal half-inch parts is 5.71429. And I know this is going to be a lot over everybody's head, or not over your head, but something you'll never probably do. So if you open up Windows, and you could rotate that around, but it's a lot easier to go to the Dockers. Well, no, take it back. Let's go to Arrange and go to Line and no, go to Transformation. I'm for it, and go to the Rotate Docker. And I'm going to type it. First of all, I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Let's make sure I don't already have one there. Just pull it out of the way, and I don't, so I put it back. Control D, and I make a duplicate. I double click on it, and I've already moved my rotation to the center. And I type in 5.71429. Now Corel's going to just say 5.7, but that number is actually in there. And then I'm going to want 62 of them because I already have one. And then hit apply. And then you can see that every one of them, if you get your parallel dimension tool, and we're not taking in consideration the arc, we're just taking in consideration the space between the lines, and every line is a half inch apart. I'm pretty sure this is what he's wanting to do. Well, I know that's what he's wanting to do, but he didn't want all the lines. So what you can do, and I'll just redo it. This is what I did. Let's move this out of the way. You really need to get it in the center of the page. Let's get this out of the way. Let's group all this. Control G, press P to put it in the center of the page. We've got a 10-inch circle. He just wanted the clicks. He didn't want the all the lines. So get your circle tool, just hold down your control button and make let's make it a 10-inch, no, let's make it a 9.5-inch circle. I hit 9.5, and put it in the center of the page. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete all the inner numbers. And if you just want the clicks, then you could actually delete your circle. And now you have half-inch clicks all around a circle. Now the circle is a little bit bigger than 1 inch, but it's, only 2/100ths of an inch bigger. So I think this is going to work for him. I'm sorry if that math was a little bit boring, but I'm kind of intrigued by it. But I was going the wrong way about it. I wasn't trying to divide it, the circumference by an equal number. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.